do it if you want to do it on your own. You get a small pieces of tissue paper, and I get them all in a stack, so I just have to cut them one time at the same time. You cut out a circle. It does not have to be a perfect circle. On this flower, we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of tissue paper. So, we're going to get 1, 5, 6, 7.
They might be different colors.
Oh yeah, you almost want them to be different colors. Then you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to hold it right at the very end. Because what you're going to do is you're going to poke a hole through those tissue paper. See that? Almost in the center.
That's like a lollipop.
You're going to pull that through, bend it over. You bend it over, we're going to, and look how much space I do. You're going to poke it back through the other side. You got to hold it down close to the top like I did the first time, okay? See how far apart that is?
Yes.
No. No? Just wait a second. You want to pull this down. We'll pull it down right there, okay? So it looks just like that. And then I'm going to twist the back. Okay, so now it looks like a lily pad, right?
With a dot.
Like a giant button.
Now,
A giant button.
watch. You take your first piece of tissue paper, peel it very gently, and kind of crumple it together with your fingers and twist. And you let go.
Yeah, you don't crumble it like this.
No, you don't want to do a lot of crumbling. You get the second piece. Now, watch Miss Elisa's hand. It goes around that paper until I can touch my fingers on the other side. Pull up just a little bit, gently, twist. And get the next piece. Pull up gently, and twist.
Looks like a ballerina now.
You do this with each one. Put that down, baby. You put it down. Do that with each one. And what we're doing is we're making the flower get full. So it looks more like a flower, right? Is it looking more like a flower?
It's looking like a rose. Looking like a.
So now you've twisted all your paper.
Looking like a plant.
And you've got this.
Massive.